Hello, my little scientists. How are you all? I know you all are happy, healthy, fit, and good, and enjoying your summer camp very much. Yes or no? How many of you are enjoying? Wow, that's great. Everyone is enjoying their summer camp. I hope you all are enjoying, especially your science experiments. Are you doing these experiments back at home? Yes. So dear students, make a video clip of your experiment and click a good picture and send it to me. Dear students, today is the third day of summer camp and today also we are going to have lots and lots of fun. I hope you all are ready to have more fun today. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Dear students, you might be thinking, what happened to our teacher? Yesterday, she told a story, and today she is holding a paper boat and reciting a poem. You must be thinking that teacher is going to teach us poem or going to tell us how to make this paper boat. But dear students, I know you all are smart children and you know how to make the paper boats. So dear students, do you remember when we use these paper boats? When we are playing with these paper boats? Yes, during the rainy season when there is lots and lots of water all around. We make some paper boats and we play with these paper boats and enjoy and have lots of fun with our friends. But dear students, this is summer. It's very hot outside and during this time we cannot go out on the beaches or in the swimming pools to have some fun with water. But dear students, don't worry. Today your teacher is here to help you out. Think, what can you do while sitting inside the house during this hot summer? So dear students, today I'm here with some fun science experiments with water where you are going to do some experiments and have lots and lots of fun with water. So are you ready? Yes. So you all are ready. Wonderful children. So let's start. Hello my little scientists, how are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are ready for the experiment of the day. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, today we are going to have some magic with milk. But you might be thinking, ma'am said we are going to have some fun with water. But why milk? Dear students, you all know milk is also a liquid. So let's have some fun with milk while doing our experiment, magic milk. So the things that you need for this experiment are, dear students, you need a shallow plate. This is the shallow plate, beta. Then you need some milk, of course, because we are going to make a magic milk, so milk is required. You need dishwash, liquid dishwash. Then you need some colors because we are going to do some magic with these colors. So dear students, I have blue color, then I have orange, then I have a red color, and then I took a yellow color. And you need some earbuds. So let's start with the magic, with the milk, magic milk. So first step is what you need to do, dear students. You need to put the milk in this shallow dish. You can add more milk in it. Now, so dear students, let the milk settle. And now you can put some colors in the milk. So I'm going to put some colors. So I'm going to put some drops of colors. See, I put orange color. Now I'm going to put red color. Now I'm going to put some yellow color, and I'm going to put some blue color. Now see the magic, what happened, dear students, when you put some dishwash in the milk. See how this magic occurs. See, dear students, see the magic? Yes. See how the color changes? Wow, it's so beautiful. Yes or no? See beta, see this rainbow is formed in the milk. See, you can see the different colors. See how this magic occurs. I hope you all like this magic milk. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how you can mix some colors with the dishwash. See what happens. See how the magic occurs. See the magic, beta. See what is happening to the milk. See the magic. You can see yourself, beta, the magic. See what is happening. Can you see something is happening to the milk? See this. You can this also. See beta, see what is happening to the milk. You can add as many colors as you can, dear students. I put only 4 colors. You can put all other colors also. See this magic. See what is happening to the milk. Pause कर दे. ये दिखा. In this magic milk experiment, the milk and food coloring form a little dome. However, when dish soap is poured over the surface tension is broken because the dish soap breaks those bonds. This causes the colored milk to spread out like a flood over the surface of the milk. So dear students, you might have seen this flood is there on the surface of the milk. I hope you all enjoyed this activity, dear students. So you can do this activity, make a small video clip of this activity, and you can click a picture and send it to me. Hello my scientists. I hope you all are enjoying today's experiments. Yes or no? Yes. So you all enjoyed magic milk. Yes? Very good. That's great. So dear students, today we are going to have lots and lots of fun with water. So let's do one more activity with water. So dear students, as you know, water is colorless. So water has no color and it has no shape. So water takes the shape of the container in which you put, and also it takes a color, that color you are going to add in this water. So dear students, today let's do one more fun activity with this water, and the name of the activity is color changing water. See how the water changes the colors. So let's start. So dear students, this is also very simple and with some home materials. So the things that you require are, you need a ball, you need a glass of water, you need one more jug of water, then you need some colors, and you need a spoon to stir the solution. Now, the first step is you just, I want to take yellow and red color. So let's see what happened when we use these two colors mixed together. So I'm going to put yellow color in this big one pitcher, big one jug. See, I'm going to put some yellow color in this and I'm going to mix it. Dear students, I'm using food color and you can use any color also. See this, now this color, you can see how the water changes its color. Earlier it was white, was not having any color. Now it is which color? It is in yellow in color. Okay, so dear students, see, water changes its colors. Now this glass. Now dear students, you can look at this glass. I'm going to put red color in this glass. There is also a water in this glass and it has no color. It is pure white. So I'm going to put some red color in this. So you can see water turns into red color. See, the water changes its color from white to red. Now dear student, now you can see these two colors water. Now let's have magic. I'm going to do a magic and I'm going to make a new color out of these two colors. So what you need to do is you need to pour this water. You can put this glass in the water in the center of the ball and you can put this yellow color water in this ball. You can fill it till half. Yes. Now dear students, you can see in this ball there is red water, red colored water in the glass and there is yellow colored water in this ball. But you look at the side of this ball, what will you observe? You will observe the color of the water changes. Now which color you can see? Look at the water clearly from the down. From the down of this water you can see the color of the water changes from red to which color? Can anybody tell which color water you can see under the ball? What color will you be able to see? It is orange. So dear students, yellow and red, these are two primary colors. And when we mix these two primary colors, one new color is formed. That is orange. See the magic? Yes, this is only the magic. While mixing two colors, you get a new color. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. So the science behind this activity is, dear students, in this experiment, when you look through two colors at once, if you look at two colors at once, the colors mix together similar to how they would if you put into drops of yellow food coloring and 2 drops of blue food coloring in a glass of water and stir them together, because primary colors were used in this experiment when we looked through the bowl. नहीं गलत हो गया, इसको बंद कर. So dear students, the science behind this experiment is that when we mix two colors, like we have mixed red and yellow, when we mix two colors, then what happened? Primary colors were used and when you look through the bowl, they combine to form a secondary color. As you can see in this, I have mixed red and yellow, and when you combine these two colors, a new color is formed. That is secondary color, orange. So dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. So at the end, I would like to say, make a small video clip of your activity or click a picture and send it to me. So, welcome my little scientists. So let's have some more fun with water. As I told you, today we are going to have lots and lots of fun with water. Oh, what are these? Wow, these are so colorful bubbles. I love bubbles. You also love bubbles? Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, during this summer, while you are sitting inside your houses, you can make your own bubbles at home. And you can enjoy like I'm enjoying with these bubbles. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. So let's have one more experiment. We are going to make bubbles at home with some simple materials. Wow, I'm very excited. So let's start. Now dear students, materials that you require to make this bubble at home is you need a dishwash, liquid dishwash beta, then you need some water, take a ball, you can take a plastic bottle also, so it depends on you, you can take any kind of ball. You need some glycerin, so I have this glycerin, so we need some glycerin also. So let's start. So dear students, put this water in the ball. This much. I have put a little less water. Okay. Then put some dishwash soap in the water. So I'm going to put at least 2 spoons of this dishwash in the water. See, this is 1 spoon and this is another spoon. So I am going to add this in the water. So you can also add this in this water. You can mix it well with this same cup measuring spoon. Okay. Now I want to put more to make it more thick. So I'm going to put 1 more spoon of dishwash. See. Now mix it well better. You can mix it with the spoon. You can take this another spoon and you can mix it well with this spoon. Now what you need to add is you need to add some glycerin in it. So I'm going to put 1 spoon of this glycerin. You can mix it well. Mix both ingredients nicely. Mix till it mix well. Put some more glycerin because we took 3 tablespoons of dishwash. So you can take 1.5 tablespoon of this glycerin. Now you can see some bubbles are formed. So you can mix it well. Mix it well, beta. Yes. Yes. See, I'm mixing it nicely. Okay. Yes.
Go.
So dear students, see your bubbles are ready at home, and during this summer, while sitting inside your houses, you can play with these bubbles and enjoy. See how you have to, so for that you need a bubble stick, or you can take better your simple straw also. See how the bubbles are. So your bubbles are see your bubbles are ready, and you can play with these bubbles and enjoy with your siblings at home. I love these bubbles. So the science behind this experiment is, dear students, the outside and inside surface of a bubble consists of soap molecules. It consists of soap molecules. A thin layer of water lies between the two layers of soap molecules, sort of like a water sandwich with soap molecules for bread. They work together to hold air inside. Whoosh! It through the air so that the bubble flow follows and grows behind it. So dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Do this activity, make a small video clip and click a picture and send it to me. Hello my students, I hope you all are enjoying today's experiment, fun with water. So today you have lots and lots of fun with water. So let's do one more fun experiment with water. In this experiment we are going to do a magic like this. And dear students, you know the name of the experiment is the color changing walking water. So let's start. And the things that you need are, you need some glasses, transparent glasses of equal height. Then you need a kitchen towel. You can use a scissor, but dear students, keep in mind that you have to use the sharp objects under the supervision of your parents. You need some water. You need some colors. So let's start. So dear students, you have to fill the glass 3/4 part of the glass with water. So you fill this water, glass of water, then you leave one in between. Then you need to fill the third one glass. Again leave one empty glass in between and fill again the third glass of the water. And you have to fill the glass 1/3. Okay, like this. Now, dear students, look at this. These are 5 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you filled first glass, then you leave empty glass in between, then fill the third glass, empty glass in between, and then again the last one, 5th one glass. Now what you have to do, next step is that you have to put some color in the water. So this is red color I'm going to put in the first glass. So I'm going to put red color here. So this is red color, and then I'm going to put yellow color in this center one glass. So you can put some yellow color also in this center glass. After that you need a blue color. So I'm going to put a blue color also in the last one glass like this. Now you can mix a color nicely in the water like this. Okay, so you can see here this yellow water also mixed and this red one also get mixed. Now next step is, see, this is red color, this is yellow and this is blue color. Dear students, you know these all are primary colors. Now your next step is, take this paper towel and you need only this much part of the paper. 2, 3 and 4. So you require only the 4 pieces of this paper towel. Now what you need to do is, now you need to fold this paper like this into half. You have to make a strip, and again you have to fold this paper into another half. So you have to make a strip like this. Fold it from the center like this. Now you have to make all the strips like this one. Okay, so this one is first. Now again fold it. One more fold and fold it from the center like this. This is second strip. Now again the third strip, again you have to do the same thing. You have to again fold twice and from the center. So this is the fourth one strip. Then again you have to fold it and fold from the center. So dear students, you have 4 glasses and you 5 glasses and you require 4 strips like this. Now the next step, what you have to do, dear students, look at me carefully. Now you have to put this in 2 glasses like this. One is in the glass where you have put water and one in the empty glass. Again one in the colored water glass and one in the empty glass. You have to join them like this. Again you have to do the same thing. You have to put one in the water glass and one in the empty glass. Here also you have to put one in water and one in the empty glass. Now dear students, look at this experiment. You can see this is paper towel, and when you put this in the water start going up and moving from this glass to the another glass. You can see here also the water starts moving from this yellow glass, this yellow colored water, to this empty glass. Here also you can see the water rose up and moving. See, the water starts walking. So dear students, for this experiment you need some time. So dear students, watch it carefully how the water starts moving from one glass to another glass. For this experiment, dear students, you need to wait for some time. And after some time, half an hour or 1 hour, what will you see? You will see the magic. So dear students, after 1 hour, see how the water walks from one glass to another. See, the empty glasses filled with water. See how this magic occurs. See, the red color, when it gets mixed in the yellow, it changes into orange color. And here you can see yellow color, when mixed with blue color, it changes into green color. So dear students, you know primary colors, when we add the primary color with together, like if we mix a red with yellow, you will find an orange color. If you mix yellow and blue, you will get a green color. So dear students, you know how this water walks. How this water walks? The water moves up the paper towels through a process called capillary action. The paper towel is made from fibers and the water is able to travel through these gaps in the fibers. The water is able to move upward and against the gravity because of the attractive force between the water and the fibers in the paper towel. And this is how the water walks from one glass to another. And you can see when the two primary colors get mixed, it changes into secondary color. Dear students, I know you enjoyed this experiment very much. So now you know how the water walks from one glass to another by using this paper towel. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Dear students, do this experiment. Make a small video clip and click the pictures. Send it to me. So my dear students, I hope you all are enjoying your summer fun activities. Yes or no? Yes. So you all are enjoying your fun activities, especially your science fun experiments. You have lots of fun with science. Yes or no? Yes. So you have lots of fun with lemons, then balloons, and today we enjoyed and have lots and lots of fun with water experiment. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, do all these experiments and make a small video clip of your experiment, or you can click pictures and send it to me. At the end, I would like to say that, dear students, stay home, stay safe, fit, healthy and good. Enjoy your experiments. Keep smiling. See you later. Bye-bye.